Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable apps to track you on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and go to the privacy and security. So just tap on that one. Once you're here, you want to go to the tracking. So again, just tap. And here you are going to find the option called Allow Apps to Request to Track. So it is just going to allow apps to request you for the track for different apps and websites. When it is off, all new app tracking requests are automatically denied. So I advise you to just ask this feature. Just don't allow apps to request to track your activity on your iPhone. This is what that means, like tracking you. This is what I mean, like your whole activity on iPhone. And here you are going to find your applications that have asked for permission to your track activity, and you can just allow specific apps to track you or not track you. And again, I advise you to turn that all off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.